Design First is known for resolving very complex problems and turning them into beautiful functional products.
At Design First, we not only do the design of the product, designers talk with manufacturers and manufacturers talk with industrial engineers and engineers talk with custom software people, electronic software people. So when you come to us, you actually come to one place to get all the services.
The magic of Design First is really enabling corporations and startups, inventors or entrepreneurs to realize a vision that they have and not really having to understand how to do it, but to come along for the ride.
Working closely together with you, we deliver useful and compelling high-value product solutions at your target device and business costs.
We present clients with options and recommendations, and they're involved at every key decision point. Features, risk mitigation, usability, cost effectiveness, things of that nature that really guide the development process forward.
When you come to Design First, you get a team of people who are super passionate about what they do and their various skills, and there's not many problems that have ever come across that we haven't been able to solve in a great way. It's a very capable team of people here.
Quality, craftsmanship, engineering, design, development, those are all key words in allowing us to be able to help our customers bring fabulous products to the market.
Give us a call and tap into our creative expert team, process, and supply network.